Okay, so what you're going to see here is me tying a full Windsor knot. So I'm getting ready to put the tie over my head, and then I'm going to be measuring the skinnier part of the tie to make sure it's the right length before I do anything else. So start the video, and you can see me, I got measuring the tie, making sure the skinnier part of the tie falls about 10 to 12 inches down. Then I'm taking the thicker part around, under, up, and over, and I'm going to hold it tight to that one side. Then I'm going to swing around the back of the tie and do the exact same thing. Under, up, and over. Again, making sure it's tight on the other side. It's going to start creating some, like a triangle shape. Now I'm working around the front to close that triangle. Taking the thicker part of the tie, up, under, and over again. Now through the triangle. And that's going to make it sure that the tie stays tight. And then before I pull all the way through, I'm going to just make sure everything's nice and snug. The triangle's right where I want it to be. And then I'm going to be pulling the back of the tie, the skinnier part of the tie, down, which will then move the top of the tie towards the base of my neck and tighten it. So I'm making sure everything's okay, measuring that. And then it's going to create that nice little dimple right there to know that it's right. And the base of the tie, which you can't see right now, should fall just above my belt buckle. So now I'm putting my collar down, gonna be tight, gonna be buttoning the top button, and then I will be ready to go. So this is a full Windsor knot. Again, you see this triangle shape with a dimple at the base. And then I am set for my special event. All ready to go. And that is a full Windsor knot. Thanks.